How to edit voice recordings using CapCut. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it works on CapCut PC, CapCut Android or CapCut iPhone. So simply open CapCut mobile. I will simply open CapCut. Once we open that, here I will simply click on new project. Now here I will simply import a blank pic, or you guys can upload the video that have recording. Now here you guys will see add audio or add text, but I'll simply click on add audio. Now you guys will see extract. So in extract portion we guys can extract our audio from any video. In sounds we guys will simply click here. Here you guys can upload your recordings if you recordings on your phone. And also in record you guys can record here live, like your voice will be recorded here in CapCut. So I will simply import my recording. So I imported my voice recording. Before improving that quality, let's play it like how it was before. Hello, you guys can listen how big background noise was, but don't worry, I will remove it and I will tell you how you guys can do that in CapCut. Now for cleaning our voice, I will simply select voice. Here you guys will see on downside record, split, volume, duplicate. So simply scroll on right. Here you guys will see reduce noise, enhance voice. So first step will be reduce noise. So I will simply click on reduce noise. Here I will turn on it. So let's turn on it. After that, click on that arrow. Now our noise reducing was started and it will be reduced. The second step will be I will simply click on enhance voice. Here I will simply turn on it and I will select noise cleanup on 100. So let's do that.
Hello,
Hello,
you
you
guys
guys
can
can
listen.
listen.
Hello,
Hello,
you
you
guys
guys
can
can
listen.
listen. Now our enhancing was started, so let's wait for some seconds. Once it's done, I will play the voice. Here we go. Our voice recording was ready and background noise and voice was enhanced. So let's play it and let me show you how the result was. Hello, you guys can listen how big background noise was, but don't worry, I will remove it and I will tell you how you guys can do that in CapCut. That's how you guys can remove background noise. Now I will tell you about the best feature of CapCut. So for that I will simply click on audio effects. Once I click here you guys will see voice characters. Also you guys can see mic echo, so you guys can add that things to your voice. For example, I want to add mic echo or echo to my voice, so I will simply click on echo.
Hello,
Now let's play our voice how it was. Hello, you guys can listen how big background noise was. So that's how you guys can improve your voice quality using CapCut and enhance your voice. Thanks for watching.